hope you had a great shopping experience this festive season from various brands and websites. We know how much time and effort goes into finding the right decor that suits your home and personality. We promise this year was the last time you had to search multiple places and waste time in multiple groups for finding good brands and buying unique home decor and furnishing. Because today we are launching the first ever a completely different and special way of discovering boutique brand and buying unique home decor and furnishing for your home. We all love shopping online as it provides a lot of variety and gives us the power to choose what we want for our home. It saves our time by not going to multiple shops and markets to select unique product. But there is still something special about asking, भैया और दिखाओ और क्या-क्या options हैं? And many such conversations that create a more personal and satisfying shopping experience. In fact, in today's world of convenience, we have left behind the charm of conversation and the joy of personalizing a product or service as per our wish and needs. And the social platform where we can communicate and get personal messages, they're not optimized for shopping and end up wasting a lot of our time. We are a country of people who love to talk, who love to use our intelligence and intuition and not just depends on a robot or algorithm. That's why we prefer buying things from a shop and not from a kiosk. And today's most natural and fastest way of communicating is WhatsApp. Hence, we are launching the first ever social commerce platform that uses the power of WhatsApp and merges with the experience of shopping online. You can browse variety of brands and their products on our platform and read all the details, see reviews, even write your reviews and select what suits to your style and needs. And to buy them, you can directly get in touch with the brands over WhatsApp and complete your shopping experience in your own way. Or you can visit the brand website directly and buy your selected product. You may ask, but why are we doing it this way? It's because we believe that today all our customers are intelligent and well aware about their choices and don't want anyone to interfere in their experience. Today, brands also love to interact with their customers directly without any interference from middlemen. And hence, we are providing a showcase platform for brands and customers to come together and make this world a beautiful place to live, one home at a time. And to make this happen, Design Espresso Home will bring 11 categories of product from wide variety of boutique brands at all budget. We have something for everyone, for every home. We've already partnered with some amazing brands across various categories. You will find designer decor pieces by The Artment, export quality rugs and furnishing by the Rug Republic, innovative decor and organizers by IVEI, and many more collections by such boutique brands from all over India. And we are partnering with many more brands and will be adding new products every week. We know what you're thinking. There are so many amazing products from all brands. How do we choose what to buy? In fact, we had the same feeling when we started working with the brands. And to solve this, we are introducing a special category of product called the Designer's Choice. We will partner with some of the biggest and most talented designers and creative professionals from all over India to help us to create their choice of catalog from the full collection, and we will list those products under one page so that you can easily choose the best of the best products available on Design Espresso. And for our launch day, we are extremely happy to announce our first edition of Designer's Choice category curated by the very talented pottery artist and founder of handcrafted ceramic brand A Clay Story, Anumita Jain. Anumita is a designer, ceramist and award-winning entrepreneur. She has designed for various Indian and international brands and now runs a studio pottery setup where she individually handcrafts each product. A lover of all things handmade and unique, Anumita has selected her choice of products across all categories and brands listed on Design Espresso. Sounds amazing, right? Yes, we are excited too and are looking forward to create a never seen before shopping platform for home decor and furnishing products. Whether you are a decor lover and like to decorate your home in unique ways, or if you are moving into a new home and want to furnish your home to reflect your personality, our personalized shopping experience is the best place for your requirements. Like all things new, we are not perfect. We have a lot of things to improve and grow, and we seek your help and support in growing together. We are always looking for a new and interesting ways to collaborate and create value for our customers. Our platform is live and running from today, and you can find the link in description below. We look forward to hear your thoughts and feedback and what brands you would love to see on our platform. And what more can we do to keep growing and making this a world-class shopping platform with an Indian, more personalized touch?